Alrighty, what is going on, cosplayers, crafters, makers, DIYers of all sorts and stuff? Welcome to Titan Armory. It is I, Jonah, and today's video is a little bit out of order, and I'm kind of wearing the wrong shirt for it. Oops. But today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I hardened these suckers. That's right, they're finally done. The bracers are done. For now, I still need to add the Batman style spikes here, because it's pirate Batman. I get it, but so I still need to add those, but I'm gonna hold off on those for now because the project that I was doing these for school, I know I get to do this for school. Isn't that awesome? Is now over, and I need a minute. I need to chill. I need to breathe. I need to get some actual sleep in. You know, and not have to think about this project 24/7. It was really fun, but I'm also, you know, as with all builds, it was really fun, but I'm kind of glad it's over in a way, even though it's not really over. But I'm just going to be showing you guys how I wire harden these. It's going to be a slightly different setup. It's more kind of vloggy, which is weird. I was kind of in a rush trying to crunch this out last night. And so I'm just kind of filming as I go, more sort of vlog style-ish. But yeah, I guess we'll see how it turns out and hope you enjoy. Alright, I just went ahead and threw the two. Alright, the chest piece is all soaked up. It smells terrible. I'm just letting that dry on the floor. I'm going to give it about 20 minutes. And it looks like it's about time to pull these pieces out too. Alright, the water's running out of the tub. I'll have the two bracers set on the edge so they'll start curving a little bit. This is just laid out as best I could. I'm going to give these about 15-20 minutes to dry, and then I'm going to actually strap them up so that they'll dry more in their actual final shape. Alrighty, so that just finished up in the oven. It's looking nice. I'm going to pull that and do a little more forming. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I'm gonna have to put you down though. But I put it in on 200 degrees, or 220 degrees for about 15 minutes. And now I'm gonna dry it out. Alrighty, so here it is on the mannequin. That big wet spot is from where some steam got trapped in the bowl I was using as a bit of a form. Hopefully that will disappear as it dries out a bit more. On the back, where it was up against the pan, there's some pretty good scorch marks, but I'm not too worried because I can sort of pass it off as battle damage here at the edges, and that will mostly be covered by a cape anyway eventually, so I'm not too worried. Now all that's left really is to just let this dry for overnight, up to 24 hours preferably. So yeah, I'm just kind of going to leave that there. I'm going to set the bracers on some big plastic water bottles to help them sort of hold shape while they dry. And yeah, that's about it. Alrighty, I hope you did enjoy that weird vloggy style video. I kinda dug it, the new format. I don't know, maybe I'll do some more build project video things this way in the future. I don't know, let me know in the comments, what do you think? Should I not? I don't know. Now, just to give you a look into what is next for this build. Well, first of all, I still got to show you how I made these. So that video will be up in a week or two. I know I said that 4 or 5 weeks ago, and I'm sorry, but life be like that sometimes. And then I'll be going over how I made these bracers for the most part. Also how I fastened the torso, but that was pretty simple. It was just kind of rivets. Then once that is out, I'll probably, the next video will be on making the gun belt. Then once that is, and that'll be a ways away because I'm going to take a break from this project for a while, work on a couple other things. Now by the time that video comes out, we will be in a new shop. That's right, well it's the same shop, but it's a very upgraded shop. Those videos will be coming out soon on how that's going. That's probably going to be more in this vlog style format too, because yeah, I like the way that the flow went with the build more this way. in terms of being able to just kind of build and film as I went, instead of having to kind of have an idea of how it was gonna go and stop, hit record, start building. I could just kind of build and every once in a while pull out the phone and record. But yeah, I really like the way these turned out. I really like the way that the just turned out. I'm gonna leave you guys with some B-roll of some footage or some pictures that I took out on the front steps. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!